Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make pork sausage meat. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 15 pieces of Kashmiri Chilies, 1 teaspoon turmeric haldi powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, small piece of ginger, 10 cloves of garlic, 20 pieces of black peppercorns, 12 pieces of cloves, small piece of nutmeg, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 750 grams of pork which I have cut into small pieces and applied salt and salted the pork for 2 days. And after 2 days I have washed the pork and pat dried it. 30 tablespoons of coconut vinegar. Now we'll add all these spices into mixer grinder. And vinegar. We'll grind this into a coarse mixture. It should be slightly coarse. Our masala is ready. Now we'll apply it to the pork. Marinate the pork well with the masala. Now we will transfer it in an airtight container. You can use any plastic or glass container which is airtight, but don't use steel one. Or you can fill it in the casings. I am not using casing. Our pork sausage meat is ready. Allow the meat to marinate for 3 to 4 days. Then you can use it. Cover it and you can keep it in the fridge or outside. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.